Hello everybody. Today's lesson is on multi-step inequalities, and we're going to run down the 3 steps that you need to do to solve multi-step inequalities. Step 1, we're going to need to get rid of the parentheses. To do that, we are going to distribute. Step 2, we're going to, I didn't mean to do that. Step 2, I meant to highlight it. We're going to combine our like terms. Think about this as same last name. We're going to combine the x's together, the y's together, the constants together. And then step 3, we're going to solve using our solving strategies. What are those solving strategies? First thing you're going to do is undo addition and subtraction first. And last but not least, don't forget to graph when you're solving inequalities. Let's put all this together into action. Here is our example. We have 4 times y minus 4 plus 8 is less than or equal to 20. First thing we're going to do is to get rid of those parentheses. We are going to distribute. We're going to distribute into everything within the parentheses. Remember, when the parentheses stop, so does the distribution. 4 times y is 4y. 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. I still have plus 8. I still have my less than or equal to, and I still have 20. I haven't done anything with those yet. The next step is going to be combine our like terms. We have a negative 16 and a positive 8. We still have our 4y. Negative 16 plus 8 is negative 8. We still have our less than or equal to 20. From here, we're going to solve. We're going to undo addition and subtraction first. We have 4y minus 8. So this is the guy that we're going to get rid of right now. To undo minus 8, we are going to add 8 to both sides of this inequality. That's going to give me 4y is less than or equal to 28. From here, I am going to divide both sides by 4. Since it's a positive 4, we do not need to reverse the inequality sign. That's only when we're multiplying and dividing by negatives. This simplifies to 1y less than or equal to 28 divided by 4 is 7. Last but not least, we are going to graph. I'm going to draw my number line with 7 in the middle. I'm going to put a few numbers on either side of that 7. And then I am going to put a closed circle at 7 because this is less than or equal to, and I'm going to shade on the less than side of this number line. Now for the check. Let's use 5. So we have 4 times 5, because that's where the y was. So I'm going to take the y out way up here, and I'm going to plug in a 5. I'm rewriting everything else. Minus 4 plus 8. Is that less than or equal to 20? Well, 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 8 is 12, is indeed less than or equal to 20. I've checked, and I'm done with this example.